So it feels like they've actually given you some sort of gift. And for someone like me with online shopping addiction and something comes in a nice packaging, I feel like I almost get high. So let's just open it. Hello, hi, hey, welcome to my video. Welcome to my channel. So today I decided to do an unboxing. I love unboxings because I've got online shopping addiction. I think everyone knows about this, okay? I feel like going into a tangent. When I go online, I don't know, it's like something comes over me and I'm just there. And I'm just like, and then suddenly there's a knock at my door and I'm like, what did I buy? But it's a gift for me and I'm so happy, yay. Anyway, I've got a gift card this time, so it's a little bit different, so it's not like I'm spending my penis. I got a gift card because I ain't even got that much money. But it's okay. I got a gift card from my man. So I'm super happy and I received it. And it was an ASOS gift card. It was an ASOS gift card. So that made me quite happy. So I was like, oh, I can buy some bougie stuff. So this gift card, I went to ASOS and I decided to get some Baker items. I bought some Baker items before from actual Baker. And the packaging there, I must say, is lit. When I got that packaging, I bought like some outlet stuff and that bag is like my favourite bag. And it was like 70, I think one was £17.50 and other one was 20. And when it came in that packaging, honestly, I felt like I made it in life. I was like, look at me. I made it. Thank you, Jesus. Like, I was literally, when I got that packaging and I saw it, I was like, look. This is what luxury feels like, you know? Although I spent £17. But when I got this packaging, I was thinking, although it's the same items, well, this one is even more expensive, but only because I got that gift card, that's why I was like, do you know what I mean? Let me just add that to my basket. Add that one to my basket, do you know what I mean? But like, I wouldn't do that in real life. Like, this isn't real life. But when I got this one, I didn't feel the same vibe because it came in that ASOS bag. But that's fine, I can't complain because we got some nice items. So let's just get into this unboxing. So, yeah, this is what I got. This is what the ASOS Baker stuff looks like. It just comes in your standard ASOS bag. So let's open it. Am I recording? Yeah. I feel like I'm doing a lot of hand movements in this video. I don't know why. Let's open it. Okay. Oh, okay, so they did put it in the nice, must be the purse. So I've got a purse, a nice black purse because I feel like I need to start adulting. I first wanted like a shiny one, but then I was like, no, you're getting old now, stop this, just get your adult purse. I haven't really had that many purses in my life, but should we go with this one? Let's open this bag first, and then we go into the purse, because I feel like the purse was my main purchase. This is a nice little grey bag. Let me show you. I think it's one of the iconic bags. Let me show you. Ooh, it's getting a little stuck here, but shh. I thought it was going to be smooth, but shh. Cute. So it's a little square bag. This is the small one. The bag I got from my other unboxing was the large bag, so there's a dramatic size difference. But I just thought this was just cute. You know what? Oh, this is super cute. This is super cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is just super cute. Wait a minute. This might be my favourite. Although I like the size of the other bag, but I feel like this design looks really nice on a small bag. Do you know what I mean? This is really cute. Let me get close and personal. I don't think I've got too much lighting going on down here, so you won't really see. I think it's. Let me turn this light off quick. So it's like super cute. You got like the Ted Baker writing. I just feel like look how cute it is. It's not my favourite bag. Let's look at the inside so you can see what it looks like as well. Ooh. So, oh my gosh. So this is what the inside looks like. It is cute. It's cute. It is cute. I think it's my favourite and it's quite, yeah, this may be my favourite bag. It is really cute. So it's got that Ted Baker writing and then London on it. On my other bag, it had like all these, like Paris, all these different countries on the sides, but this one doesn't. But it's like a leather one, and the other one is like a vinyl. But this is super cute, I love it. It's so cute. It's just cute, and I like that. And grey just goes with everything. It's kind of like black, it goes with everything, and I like that grey tone as well. So should we go into the next? Let's go into the main course. So this is what I came for. This is what I wanted to buy. So, are you ready for it? This is what I came for. Oh, this is the packaging I'm talking about. I love their packaging. And get it all close and personal. So you've got that, it feels like you've got like a proper gift, and I like how they got the stamp. I think my other box had like some sort of vibe going on, so it feels like they've actually given you some sort of gift. And for someone like me with online shopping addiction and something comes in a nice packaging, I feel like I almost get high. So let's just open it. Ooh. The box is solid as well, it's not playing games. So let's open it. I'm gonna keep this packaging. This is a solid box. I'm excited. Oh yes, this is so nice. It is. This one feels the clever on this one compared to the little bag here. This one feels more quality compared to this little one, but this is nice. It's nice to touch. It's nice, man. Ah. It's so nice. Oh gosh. OMG, let me show you. It's got like a right, let me show you up close and personal so you can see. So it's got the Ted Baker logo there, Ted Baker London. And then in the inside, it's also got like some sort of writing. I can't really see what it says. See a penny, pick it up. Good luck. Oh gosh. So if you see a penny, pick it up. And all day you'll have good luck. So I like that, and I like how it's got this one here to put your coins. OMG! And on the inside, I don't know if you can see, but it's got writing, Ted Baker, all on the inside. So that's like a cute little detail. I don't know if you can see it, but it's lit. Let me see. I think you can see it now. It's just got Ted Baker written all over the inside, and it's super duper cute. It's cute. I think this is my favourite ever purchase, it might be. Although it didn't come from Ted Baker itself. It came from ASOS. I'm still having a good time. I like it a lot. I think the only downfall would be the packaging that comes in that little paper, the little plastic ASOS bag, but you're buying from ASOS, and ASOS have to promote themselves, so it is what it is. But yeah, I think that's the end of the video. This is my favourite purse I've ever got in my life. Actually, my favourite purse might be this Hello Kitty purse that I bought when I was like, I don't know, maybe 12. But it was so lit, and I had it all the way until I think I was like 17, and I was like, I need to be grown up now, and it broke on the inside. But this is my next favourite purse. This is super nice, I can't believe it. It's nice, it's my purse. So anywho, that's the end of the video. So I guess this is when we say our goodbyes. So adios, bye bye.